The Entegra Coach Reatta XL is a creation of contemporary motorhome architecture that combines advanced technology and features with superior comfort for a sensational vacation trip. On the mechanical side, it features a Spartan K2 chassis, upon which the foundations of a potent but remarkably smooth driving experience have been laid. The design of exterior creates the image of luxurious liner due to the smooth curve line and high gloss finish. As for interior, Reatta XL can offer its passengers comfort and everything for their convenience. The spacious living area is supplied with luxurious furniture. The impressive kitchen is equipped with the most contemporary appliances, and the main bedroom with the king-size bed and a full bathroom en suite. The technological advancements is maximizing the concept car. Digital dashboard with a 15-touch screen, smart steering with safe lane change, sound system that turns the living room into an entertainment center. Others are the heated tile floors, automated shades, and an integrated energy management system for making each and every journey comfortable, smart, and green. With focus on aesthetics and convenience, the Marathon Coach is revolutionizing luxury travel through its design and functions. Built on the Prevost Motor Coach platform, the interior boasts sleek style with attractive custom painting that gets a lot of attention when on the roads. The interiors can be described as elegant and refined, since every item comes with the finest trims and fittings, from carved wooden shelves to authentic Italian leather. The smart home integration system gives users an opportunity to manage everything from the lights to the climate and music within the house with a single click or even words from their lips. It is equipped with a large number of slide-out features that enlarge the space of living in the caravan, making the interior very bright. A fully equipped gourmet kitchen, spa-like bathroom, and magnificent master suite means that comfort is never sacrificed. Technologically advanced home theaters, secure lifestyle, and energy-effective solutions turn the Marathon Coach into a dream of comfort and thrill. The Foretravel Realm Presidential FS 605 is an ideal motorhome that captures innovation and style for every traveler. This type of coach is built on Spartan K4 chassis, so the ride is smooth and authoritative. Suspension is independent on the front axle, and the brake system includes air disc brakes for increased safety. As to the exterior, it covers an aggressive look and a rather sporty appearance with body painting together with LED lighting that attract attention on the road. Condo comes inside in Realm FS 605 and is a comfort zone that offers splendid workmanship inside, where the floor is installed with the hand-laid porcelain tiles, the wood-built cabinetry, and premium leather. The home features living space that comes with a fully equipped gourmet's kitchen, a large master bedroom with a king-sized bed, and an exquisite master bathroom with a rain shower. The exists working multiplex control system, digital dash with a 15-inch touchscreen, a hi-fi sound system embedded in the automobile provide the entertaining feeling. The Rioja motorhome is stylish, elegant, and luxurious, and can only be described in terms of luxury mobility at its pinnacle. This motorhome is as close to being a custom-built home as one could get. It was designed and built with the owner's taste in mind. Nothing is left behind. Even the wood trimming can be from rare exotic woods, and the high-tech touch control features of the smart homes can be made from high-end control gadgets. It offers an extraordinary living experience, where every room is crafted to perfection. The living area is an expansive, open-concept space designed for comfort and style, with plush, custom-upholstered seating that invites relaxation. The lounge seamlessly transitions into a gourmet kitchen, equipped with high-end appliances and elegant countertops. The master suite is a private oasis, featuring a king-sized bed, exquisite bedding, and ample storage. Adjacent to the suite, the spa-like bathroom offers a luxurious rainfall shower and premium finishes, providing a sense of indulgence at every turn. The Newmar Aire is one of the finest luxurious motorhomes you will behold, as it has a covetous design and boasts of some state-of-the-art features. Based on Spartan K3 chassis with Cummins X15 diesel engine, it delivers power and silence with comfort drive with passive steer technology. Exterior design. It is fitted with a customized BASF paint and has steel accents. It has a fascinating appearance and attracts the attention of people on the road. As we get inside the Aire, it is revealed that it is more luxurious and technologically advanced. It features handcrafted hardwood cabinets, porcelain tile floors with heated floors, and designer fabric to provide comfortable, elegant living. The space layout is conceptually effective to accommodate numerous rooms and features such as the Great Room, an upscale kitchen with the most recent Wolf appliances, a master bedroom suite with a sleep number king-sized bed and a master bathroom. The Newmar Aire provides luxurious and innovative comforts for selective buyers, since it can be controlled and monitored using mobile devices. The Volkner Mobil Performance SS offers an experience of ultimate luxury and innovation. Its sleek exterior is a wonder, with an aerodynamic silhouette and a retractable slide-out garage capable of housing a sports car. Inside the Performance S, there is great attention to detail and the finest materials. The spacious living area was designed for maximum comfort and includes a fully equipped gourmet kitchen, a luxurious master suite, and a bathroom with finishes that would rival those at many five-star hotels. From advanced technology that breathes new life into a smart home automation system to state-of-the-art entertainment systems, a Volkner Mobil Performance S is not just a motorhome. It's a statement of elegance, marrying high performance, innovative design, and luxury all in one extraordinary package. The Entegra Coach Cornerstone is a masterpiece of luxury motorhomes top-notch in engineering and state-of-the-art technology. Based on a Spartan K3 platform and equipped with a powerful Cummins X15 605 GP engine, it provides an extraordinary ride with improved stability and maneuverability. On the interior, the Cornerstone looks equally luxurious with an equally large open concept area that comes with hand-carved cabinet, porcelain tile floors, and other quality furniture that highlight the elegance of the house. The kitchen and laundry are modern, engaging, sophisticated residential refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection microwave, and etc. The master suite comprises of king-size bedroom, exquisite bathroom having a spa shower and a dressing room. A sophisticated smart home enabling light, climate, and AV controls by one touchscreen interface or a smartphone application makes Entegra Coach Cornerstone 2024 one of the most appraised luxurious coaches on the market. The Tiffin Zephyr is something that can be considered as the top-of-the-line model in motorhome category, designed for everyone who wants only the best. Presented as Tiffin's flagship model, the Zephyr is the epitome of modern design, intelligent technological solutions, and luxurious comfort. Upon entering the store, main shoppers are embraced by large rooms which include the handcrafted cabinets, quality furniture, and the polished porcelain tile flooring with radiant effect. New design solutions consist of 4 ultra slideshow that significantly increase living zone and make it as spacious as possible. Zephyr's smart home capabilities enable its inhabitants to handle the home's lighting, temperature, and entertainment through a stylish integrated control system. Underneath everything, there is a strong 605 horsepower engine that delivers ample thumping power, responsive drive, and stable control on any terrains. Additional features, such as a luxurious custom kitchen, complete with modern appliances, a master suite with a spa-inspired bathroom that has a rainfall shower, and a state-of-art soundproofing and insulation system add the wow factor to every trip. Dumbells Motorhome is one of the uniquely created masterpieces with so much advanced and luxurious features suitable for enthusiasts of modern getaway. This is a modern design motorhome that comes with a touch of classic and technological blending. It also boasts of a large to and from garage, which will contain a sports car for your movement without having to ditch on style and technology. Built with an Italian Iveco backbone, the Dumbells Motorhome has great handling and smooth drive. Externally, it has sleek and flowing like an aeroplane with large full glass height windows to give unrestricted view and daylight to enter the car. Interior design is also carefully designed and made of first-grade material such as high-gloss cabinets, leather seats in addition to light, and acoustics which can be customized, making the interior glamorous and cozy. The large area consists of an expertly equipped gourmet kitchen with professional-grade appliances, large master bedroom with a king-size bed, and high-end master bath with upgraded fixtures. Smart devices merge perfectly with the motorhome's design. It is easy to control climate, lighting, and entertainment systems. The Winnebago View and Navion charter a new generation of compact motorhome with improved features and design. For information, these RVs are constructed on the secure Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. It comes with a 0LV6 turbo diesel engine, which is highly fuel efficient and provides a comfortable drive for the users. On the interior, the View and Navion are sleek and modern, with an open layout and 3 possible configurations. Each design allows for commanding space use with turn-off cab seats, a True Comfort Plus sofa, and either a Murphy bed or a twin bed layout for sleeping convenience. It is well stocked with good quality equipment: 2-burner, induction, LP range cooktop, microwave convection oven, and large refrigerator. Additional smart home functionalities expand the possibilities in managing the environment as much as possible. This can be achieved by controlling the lighting, climate, and entertainment by using a smart home dashboard, a centerpiece touchscreen, or a smartphone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Feel free to comment down below on which motorhome do you think is the best, and I will see you next time.